Okay, so you need to know basically what is your battery at in your Dodge. Well, this video is for you. The first thing you need to do is come to the passenger side, open this door, and move this seat all the way forward. I know it's not too speedy, but keep it going till it goes all the way up. And that should be pretty good. Then you can close your door and open the back of the passenger side, just like so. And then under your front back seat, the one you moved forward, there's a cover. And it just pretty well lifted up. Okay, once you get it lift straight up, as you can tell, it's got clips that holds it. Oops, that went to penny. But anyway, ooh, another a dime. Once you get it up, you can get to your battery. It's that simple. Now you can change your battery or disconnect it if need be. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out Wild's Paint Shop in the description below. Drop a comment, drop a like, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.